it's Dave, and we're back with another unboxing video for you today. Now this one I've been super excited to do and waiting on it to arrive so that I can do it. How many of you guys love green energy, right? Power that you don't have to, pay for over and over and over again, right? So I'm a huge fan of solar anything. If it's solar, I really like it. Solar chargers, solar lights. I have a solar panel that runs the little pump on my outdoor mini little pond, the water feature that I have back home in Texas. So I had a company reach out to me and ask me if I would be willing to do an unboxing and a honest review on one of their products. And I did some looking at what the product was, and I was like, oh, it's a solar light? Absolutely, I would love to do that. So today we're going to do the unboxing of their product. So they did send this to me free of charge. However, I believe they reached out to me because I'm a smaller platform, so to speak, and I'm all about giving honest reviews. So here we go. So I did not pay for this; it was sent to me. Right. So make sure that's understood. That's the little disclaimer. That's why I've got the disclaimer in the video that you see down there, calling this a paid advertisement, right? They're not paying me, other than providing me the free. So Amazon puts it in this gigantic big old box. Oh, this is, you can purchase this on Amazon. So this is the solar street light, all right? Super excited to do this unboxing and then do the set this sucker up here. Whenever I go back home, this is going to go on my shed that I have outside. So, alright, that's the best way to open this. Alright, so first thing, it looks like I've got a mounting bracket here. It's packed very well. There we go. As always, I'll have a description in the description section of it. I do believe that's it. This little foam insert on the other end. Alright, so this is our street light. So you can see it's got an on and off button here. Let me get closer to the camera for you. Alright, so we've got a on and off button here, and then we have our motion sensor that's here, and then we have the two lights that can light up there. On the top side we have the solar panel. That's a nice solar panel too. Wow. And then it looks like we've got this box over here, just like this. So we've got our lamp here. Looks like we have some mounting screws, mounting bolts here. We have our bracket that we showed you earlier. And then we've got a little packet here, so let's take a look. See what we got. Alright, I apologize if I messed the name of this up, but it looks like it's pronounced FUHONGRUI. So FUHONGRUI is the name of the company. They've given me a nice little thank you card that I'm sure will come with it. And there's a verification code on the back. It says thank you for buying our products. If you would like to take some time to share your shopping experience with us on Amazon, so that our customers can better know this product, we will be very grateful. So, and there's some contact information on the bottom of that. So we have a remote. It's still got the plastic here in the bottom of it, so that whenever you pull that out, it works. But I'll give you a picture of that remote real fast, and then we'll talk about the buttons that are on it. All right, so up top we have the on-off button. Then we have a 2-hour timer, a 6-hour timer, 4-hour timer, sensing mode, and then full light mode. So if we only want it to come on when the sensor notes it, then we would use the sensing mode. So here again, we've got our microwave radar sensor solar light user manual. So it's got the instructions on how to install it, how to use it. So it's, let me see real fast here, because there's a couple of model numbers on. Trying to find the model number for this one. Let's see. There's 2 model numbers. The RD 3640 and the 3660. Differences between them: both of them have lithium ion phosphate batteries. One is 6 amp hours and the other is 15. They're both LED. One is 80 pieces LED chips and one's 120. They're both suggested installation height is less than 20 feet. Detection distance for the first model is 800 feet and 1200 feet for the second model. Detected degree 360 degrees. Product size, that's probably going to give us our answer there. 19.68 inches versus 24.8 inches. So I would definitely guess this is the 19.8 inch one. So this one has got to be the model RD 3640 Romeo. So it's 19.68 inches by 8.97 inches by 1.96 inches. Waterproof protection is IP65. So yep, gives a little diagram there on the solar and how that works. There's your mounting instructions on how to mount it. I've got a couple of ideas on how I'm going to mount this, but I'm not 100% sure yet, so we'll take a look and see about that later. Just double checking real fast because I don't see the model number written on here anywhere. But anyways, we'll take a look and double check. So, all right, so unboxing video. We have our solar lamp here. We have our remote control here, which we can also turn it on and off on the lamp itself. We have our instruction manual. We have our bag of mounting brackets. I may have to use something a little bit different here. I may have to go with a different type of setup to actually mount it here, but we'll see how that goes. And then the mounting bracket itself. All right, so that concludes our unboxing video. Here again, I'll have some details in the description down below, and then a link to it if you're interested in getting a lamp like this for your shed, your patio, whatever the case may be. I'm probably going to put it on the back side of my work area here on the outside, obviously, so that whenever I step out the back door, I don't break my neck on cables and such, because it's very dark out there whenever I leave work. So, all right, that concludes our unboxing video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them down in the comment box below. Here again, this is the unboxing video, so I'll try and do an installation video of how I set it up. I may very well just have a really temporary type setup though, but I'll definitely do a review video. And where I'm currently located, it is very sunny, so this thing will definitely get tested for its capabilities, and yeah, I'm pretty excited. So we'll see how it does, and we'll go from there. All right, thanks so much for watching, y'all. Appreciate it. From Location X, y'all have a great day, and God bless.
When life keeps falling and wonder where he is in all this mess, he's right there to guide you. Unseen, you're not